Hello and welcome to this ChequeSystem tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to easily remove the date from a check and how to customize the default date settings for new checks. Let's get started. First, let's look at how to remove the date from a specific check. If you want to issue a check without a date, it's very simple. In the check window, click the calendar button, which you'll find right next to the check date field. This will open the calendar dialog. Now, simply click the clear button. This will remove the date, leaving the check date field empty. That's it. The date is now removed from this check. Next, let's customize the default date settings for new checks. This allows you to control whether new checks automatically have a date filled in. From the main screen, go to the menu and click on Settings, then select Options. This will open the Options dialog. Here, you'll find the Set Default Date for New Check option. You'll see a checkbox and a selection of date options: today, tomorrow, and 7 days later. To set the default date to empty, simply uncheck the box labeled Set Default Date for New Check. This will ensure that new checks you create will not have a default date automatically filled in. Alternatively, if you do want a default date, make sure the box is checked and select your preferred option from the available choices: today, tomorrow, or 7 days later. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, be sure to click the Save button in the Options dialog to apply your changes. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove the date from a check and customize the default date settings in ChequeSystem. Thanks for watching.